Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the lipstick from Conrad that I have here in the shade Shell. And I have actually not tried out any Conrad beauty products yet, but I got this in my January 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. By the way, that unbagging video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But this sounds like a really nice product. It's cruelty-free, vegan, infused with argan oil, mango seed butter, and shea butter. So it's supposed to be very moisturizing for dry lips like mine. It's clean beauty. I love that it's in this eco-friendly, recyclable packaging. It retails for $20, which is kind of expensive in my opinion, especially for a classic bullet lipstick like this. This is cute packaging, this really light pink shade. And I like the shade that I got this in. A nice neutral kind of pink shade. Look, it goes with my background colors perfectly. But I'm going to start out with a swatch. Ooh, very pigmented and creamy, and I really do love this shade. It's a shade that's similar to my natural lip color, so I do find myself reaching for this type of shade the most often because it really is like actually my comfort zone. It's what I'm used to seeing on myself pretty much when it's basically my lip color, but just a little bit more enhanced. So I'm going to try my best to apply this in a precise shape on my lips, but I definitely do usually use a lip liner to help me out with that, but we'll see how I can do with this and how it looks on my lips. It's actually pretty easy to get a really precise shape. So I think I need to go over it a little bit more just to get full opaque color on the bottom lip here. But you can definitely build it up easily to full opaque color, which is what I want in this type of lipstick. And I really like this shade. It is just so pretty, easy to wear. I feel like you cannot go wrong with this shade day or night, any time of year, with any type of makeup look. So for $20, at least it is a type of shade that I can get a lot of use out of. And so on my lips, it's a matte lipstick, but it's very creamy. And I have very dry lips, and I will say you can still see the dry texture of my lips. So I would probably want to do like a lip scrub, exfoliate my lips before applying this because it's not getting rid of the dry texture. It's not that moisturizing, but it is comfortable. It doesn't feel drying on my lips. And it definitely does not smooth out my lips either. Like there are a lot of lines in my lips. So I have just tried out better lipsticks lately that really do smooth out the lips, enhance the lips, just make the lips look better. And this does not make the lips look better. It adds that nice color, but as far as texture goes, it's not doing anything to improve that. Therefore, I really do feel like this is kind of like a old school classic lipstick type of formula that, in my opinion, with the beauty products that are coming out nowadays, we're just past this. Like we're improved past this type of formula now. So let's see how much transfer. I'm guessing there's going to be a lot. Yeah, I mean, that's not terrible, but that still is a lot of transfer. It made the color fade after just a little bit of transfer there, so it's also not long lasting, and I also do prefer a long lasting lip product. That's another thing that I think we can get very easily and beautifully in our lip products nowadays. So all in all, this is okay. When I think about it being $20, I'm like, no. So not worth it. But it's not bad, it's just not impressing me. It's not special. Even the color, like in my lipsticks behind me, I have so many of this exact same color. So I just don't see myself really reaching for this. It doesn't have any of the qualities that I really have come to enjoy in lip products. But if you like a classic lipstick like this, then this could be for you, because it's a good classic old school lipstick, if that's what my standards are at, and they're not. But of course, I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you do have any recommendations for other Lauren Conrad makeup products that you think are really great. Also, let me know your thoughts on this. You could feel completely different than what I feel about this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.